Squeeze toothpaste onto your feet. See what happened to them. This recipe is cheap and incredibly simple. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt contains many microelements that strengthen the nail plate and accelerate its growth. Next, squeeze a tablespoon of toothpaste. Add it to the bowl with salt. Besides removing discoloration, toothpaste has antibacterial properties. Mix these 2 ingredients until you get a smooth consistency. Then add a tablespoon of coconut oil, which has deep moisturizing effects. Apply the mixture to your feet. It soothes and relaxes the feet after a long day. Also, apply it to your toenails. Gently rub and massage the nail plate. This will help remove impurities and get rid of bacteria and microorganisms that can accumulate under the nails. Leave the treatment on for 10 minutes. After this time, you will see the effects of this extraordinary mask. Perform this treatment regularly, your nails will become stronger. Apply toothpaste to your feet. In just a few minutes, you'll see results similar to a professional salon treatment. Prepare a small container, preferably glass. Squeeze a generous amount of toothpaste into it. It has refreshing properties and helps neutralize unpleasant odors. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which gently removes dead skin and cleanses the skin. Next, add 1 tablespoon of potato starch to thicken the mixture and soften the skin. Add 1 tablespoon of shaving foam to give the paste a light texture and make it easier to spread. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, slightly melted beforehand. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes, smooths the skin, and protects it from dryness. Mix everything thoroughly until a thick, creamy paste forms. Apply it evenly to clean feet and gently massage, paying special attention to the heels and areas prone to dryness. Wrap your feet in plastic wrap so the ingredients can absorb better and work more deeply. Leave it on for a few minutes to allow the skin to regenerate. Then remove the wrap and rinse your feet with warm water. Gently pat them dry with a towel and apply a moisturizer to enhance the nourishing effect. The skin on your feet will become soft, smooth, noticeably refreshed, and pleasant to the touch. A proven method for dry and cracked heels. Rub your feet with baby oil, which deeply moisturizes and smooths the skin. Massage it in thoroughly, then apply foot cream. Finally, put on cotton socks to help the ingredients absorb deeply. An easy, homemade way to get spa-like feet. Try it before going to bed.